I'm gonna help my mom make Easter dinner. Today we're gonna make a 2-kilogram lamb. We're going to need garlic, onions, anchovies, and herbs. I'm making slits through the lamb, and then we will insert pieces of garlic. I'm gonna cut slivers of garlic to go into the lamb. Make sure you always have parent supervision. Now we're gonna slice the anchovies. They're gonna go in with the garlic. We're gonna take 1 piece of garlic and 1 piece of anchovy and insert it into each slit on the lamb. Prepare to brown the roast in a Dutch oven. After seasoning the roast with salt, pepper, and thyme, we will then brown it. While the roast is browning, my mom chopped onions. After she browned the lamb, she removed it and added onions. The oven to 450 degrees. After sauteing the onions, she returns the roast back into the pot. She puts 1 cup of red wine into the roast, and then you put the fresh herbs. We're going to get ready to put the roast in the oven for a few hours. We cover the pot and get it ready for the oven. After 15 minutes, lower the stove to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Our roast has been in for almost 15 minutes. Now we will lower it to 300 and it will cook for 3 to 4 hours. While the roast is cooking, we will tidy up and prepare our side dishes. Me and my brother asked to have mashed potatoes with our dinner, so we're boiling the potatoes now. The lamb has almost been cooking for 4 hours. We're gonna take the lamb and transfer it into our serving dish. The lamb is now ready to be served at the dinner table. Happy Easter! Easter dinner was delicious.